Hi everyone, my name is Erin and I am the owner of Erin Rochon Design, and today I'm going to share with you a couple of my pro tips on how you can get two very different looks using Dixie Belle's chalk mineral paint. So let's get started. One of the many reasons why I love using Dixie Belle's chalk mineral paint is that it is so versatile, but it is also really easy to be able to get whatever look you are trying to achieve. I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can achieve different looks. So the first technique I'm going to show you is how to get a beautiful, smooth, contemporary finish. Now, this technique is fantastic to use if you've got a piece of mid-century modern furniture, or maybe you just want a more contemporary, sleek vibe. Using the right kind of brush is really important when you're looking at doing a really sleek modern finish. You absolutely want to use a synthetic brush. I'm going to be using this brand new Scarlet brush from Dixie Belle Paint Company. The bristles are extremely soft. It's going to help give my paint a seamless, smooth finish. How you apply your paint is key in getting a really smooth modern finish. It's really important to make sure that you're applying your paint with really nice, long strokes. By doing this, it's really going to help even out your paint finish and give you a smooth finish. If you find you're still getting brush strokes, just give your painted surface a bit of a spritz with water. You can either use a spray bottle or a mister, and that'll help keep the paint moving. My final step in getting a beautiful modern finish is by just giving it a gentle scuff sand with 220 sandpaper. By doing this, you're going to remove any brush strokes or any little bits that may have fallen into your painted surface. Now the next technique I'm going to show you how to do is how to apply your paint in a cross hitch pattern. Now the great thing about this technique is that it just adds so much really gorgeous texture and character to your piece. So this is great if you are looking at using any glazes, if you're looking at doing a color wash, or if you're looking at using Dixie Belle dirt. For this technique, you want to use a natural bristle brush. I'm going to be using Dixie Belle's Belle brush. It's going to give me lots of gorgeous texture and lots of brush strokes. To get the most out of this technique, you want to have a good amount of paint on your brush, and then you're going to apply it in a cross hitch fashion back and forth, even stippling it in some areas to create lots of gorgeous texture. One of the reasons why I love this technique so much is that it is such a great jumping off point for so many different kinds of looks. If you are looking to add Dixie Belle dirt, glaze, or even doing a color wash, you've just created a great base and lots of texture for all of those products to fall into. So that's it. You've just learned two different techniques on how to get two very different looks with your piece of furniture. Whether you want to go very modern and contemporary, or maybe your piece needs to have a little bit of texture and depth. I'd love to know which technique you decide to do on your next piece of furniture. Make sure to let me know in the comments below. Hey friends, so that was a lot of fun. Make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to this channel. I am going to be having so much more amazing content coming at you. So stay tuned. Happy painting.